You will need a baked jacket potato, cut in half with the potato in a bowl ready to mash, some cheese ready grated, some butter and salt and pepper. Add the cheese to the potato. Add the butter. Mash together the butter, cheese and the potato with a fork. Keep mashing. Spoon the potato into your potato cases. When they are full, sprinkle with cheese. You can add different toppings. I made tuna and mayonnaise. Add some mayonnaise to your tuna. Mash it with the fork. Add some pepper and salt if you want to.